What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. First of all, let's talk about the lightings. It turns out to make videos like this, you gotta have special lightings, and I'm gonna have to do something about it. I'm gonna have to spend $1,000 on lighting. I can't believe that. But the problem with it is you gotta set it up every time, and I like to make videos, and I don't edit the videos. So that's why sometimes I make a lot of mistakes doing the videos. It doesn't really matter to me. I just want to be natural and say it as if somebody was there. What's the point of the video if you're trying to make it perfect and you're taking this part off or you're making a mistake? The beauty of it, when we speak to each other, do we edit this? We really don't. So that's the beauty of it. Yeah, you can rewind it and see the errors, but who cares? Anyway, I usually make videos just right on the New Year's, like the first day of the New Year, and I haven't made a video yet, and I was like, all right, it's time for me to make a video to talk about the future of VIP, what are we going to do in 2021. The past 90 days was amazing. We did some crazy stuff. I made some promises that I fulfilled. Number one, making the VIP Shop Management cloud capable. It's already cloud capable. I want to talk about that and how much it's going to be, by the way. That's another thing I want to talk about. And 90 days ago, I remember when ShopMonkey announced that they're raising $35 million, and they're up to $35 million to do the same thing VIP Shop Management does. That's hilarious. And we have raised, guess how much VIP Shop Management have raised so far? Zero. Yes. It's not about the money. Now it's like literally right now, it's like hard work versus money. Hard work always win. Even I think they have so many people working on their software, and their software is cloud capable. Ours is cloud capable. We support cloud and we support non-cloud. The reason we support non-cloud is for the new shop owners out there. They cannot afford $100, $200, or $300 a month. It's really hard to open a business. When I opened my own business for 2 years, I couldn't make any money. I was breaking even and I'm working hard. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what did I get myself into? After 2 years, you kind of understand how to deal with things. But number one rule was to cut all the bills. That's how I started making money. So that's why VIP Shop Management Cloud version is only for the customers who needs it. And there's times that you really need it if you're an owner and you just want to check on your shop, see how it's doing. Yeah, you can download VIP Shop Management with the cloud version and check on it from anywhere you want. I get this point. Or if you're a mobile mechanic, that's another thing. Cloud version will come in handy in this situation. But other than that, you really don't need the cloud. The VIP Shop Management local database is good enough. Obviously, you got to be disciplined enough to back up your database to a flash drive just in case you lost everything. VIP Shop Management backs up automatically to a folder under C. You can connect that to the cloud. So we have so many options to protect your data. But in the end, if you don't have a cloud, that's going to be on you. You got to be disciplined enough to back up your database. Cloud version, it's the difference between cloud version and non-cloud version. The cloud version, somebody is backing up your database. So you're paying somebody to back up your database. But yeah, like adding a new computer is way simpler in a cloud version because all you have to do is log in, and it's really cool. It's already available. I'm gonna take it easy on the cloud. I'm not gonna be pushing it. I'm just gonna, whoever wants cloud, he needs to contact me first, and then I'll add them. So I'm not really trying to push the cloud thing as much, but as far as I know, we already have it. We're gonna work on it slowly, and we'll go from there. The first thing I want to talk about is something that. So we were testing it at first with Google, and after I was looking at the at the bill, and I was like, I was charged $20 a day. I was like, what's going on, Google? Well, how I'm gonna sell it to people if you're charging me and I was barely using it. They charge per use. and they were like, they want to charge me $100 on each customer. I was like, yeah, how are we gonna make any money on this? Thanks a lot, Google. The good news, we found Amazon. Amazon does the same thing with a lot cheaper, so I'm glad. Thank you, Amazon, for that. We're already on. Created and set it up with the AWS, Amazon. It's as fast as Google, but it's way cheaper. But even though it's cheaper, it's gonna be still expensive. The best we can do with VIP Shop Management is gonna be $99. You will have though the text messaging and the online ordering, so it's all one bundle. It's $99 for whoever needs it a month. It's a luxury, man. If you don't need it, just don't have to do it. If your shop can afford it and you need that cloud, it's not about just affording it. If your shop can afford it and you need that cloud, then go ahead and do it. If your shop cannot afford it and you need that cloud, still go ahead and do it, because it's all about you need it or you don't need it. For people who needs to have somebody helping them from home, to access from home, yeah, they need it because that's really important, or access from anywhere. So it's $99, but the good news, we're giving you the online ordering and we're giving you the text messaging, so it's all bundled in one. So if you look at it, online ordering is $20 and text messaging is $15, so it's like $35. So it's at $65, and you'll be like, Mark, it's still a lot of money. Trust me, it is super expensive to be on the cloud. The way we want to do it, we want to be. I want it to be it's either Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. And the reason I only want to be with those, because they have deployed servers all over the country. What's that mean? If you're in California, and why would I want your data to come back and forth all the way to Michigan? The AWS, they have servers in California. What that mean is going to give you a super fast communication. I've been testing it. They have it, I think, for me in Michigan and Ohio. And it's just like saving your own data. So there's no lagging whatsoever. It's just like you having your own data on your own computer. It's been a crazy year, 2020. It's been rough. We lost a lot of people. I lost my uncle. He didn't die of COVID, but a lot of people died anyway in 2020. It's a crazy year. So I'm glad. I'm hoping that 2021 we're not going to have any major disaster. Just hope for the best. We always focus on positive, not negative. Being negative, nobody gives a rat ass about somebody's negative. I learned that from my teacher, Jim Rohn. If you're negative, nobody cares. Trust me, we already know. Don't tell me there's nighttime. I already know. Don't tell me there's evil in this life. I already know. Our job is to protect ourselves from evil and focus on the positive and be a positive person, so you can attract positive people. As you believe, so shall it be done. I learned that from the Bible. So as you believe, so shall it be done. So if you believe things are going to be bad, trust me, it will be bad. And if you believe things are going to be good, trust me, it will be good. Our job is to be hopeful and work at it, just not praying and hope for the best. Some people, just want to pray and for God to open the sky and give them what they want. It don't work that way. The miracle of life is already here, and it's already been. All we have to do, we have to execute it, pretty much. That's it. I just wanted to say Happy New Year, and hopefully we'll see a lot of amazing stuff from VIP this year, because this is our year. We're cloud capable. I was just installing VIP Shop Management to one of my new users, and I was looking at it. I was so proud, literally, how awesome VIP Shop Management is. It looks so professional, looks amazing. It's gonna make a lot of people jealous. Whoever doesn't have VIP, it's gonna be a problem, I'm telling you. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you. Until next time, thanks for watching.